What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of October. As you guys see, it's already opened. This is like take 3 of this video. I keep messing up. I need to get it together. I have too much energy today and I am very jittery. Today's month is October, so we are unboxing the October box. And the theme for this month is Alter Ego. I will be going through it much more quicker because I am just a hot mess right now and my hair is done for the first time ever. Let's applaud to that. And don't come for my brows because they're struggling today. It is a weekday. First item here, if I forgot to mention, Boxycharm is $21 a month, and yeah, let's get straight to it. The first item here is the It Cosmetics It Superhero mascara. I genuinely really like It Cosmetics. I do use the Bye Bye Under Eyes Concealer and I swear by it. It is amazing, works wonders. This mascara retails for $24. Would I pay $24 for a mascara? Hell no. But that is what I love about Boxycharm, that they give us the opportunity to try out these higher end products. Next item here is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Bow and Arrow. It's in the color Bow and Arrow. I have a swatch of it right here from the previous attempt of unboxing this. It is a beautiful taupey brown, which is my kind of brown. I am really into the 90s lip, and I've always been a big fan of it. So I really enjoy that. The price for that liquid lipstick is $20. $20 is definitely my limit on liquid lipsticks. Would I pay $20 for this? Yes, I would, because they are really good quality. Kat Von D does really great lip products. But I feel like $20 is my limit. I will never waste over $20. Next, two items that I have here are the Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. That was super long. And that is what that looks like. This retails for $10. This is a really good hand cream. I did get a large full size of this in a FabFitFun that I was subscribed to last year, and I still swear by this cream. My only issue is that I am done getting hand creams. Like, subscription box owners, please understand that we are done with the hand creams. I mean, at least I am. I'm just over it. Let's get some other stuff. But I mean, this is really good, and it is really good for the hands, and it keeps my hands really soft. Next item here is the Bourjois Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And this is a hair mask. My issue with this is that I got the conditioner from Bourjois last year's Boxycharm, and it did nothing for me. I tried it and I tried it and I tried it. I think it's somewhere in my bathroom, hidden in the chamber of secrets of my bathroom. It didn't work at all for me, and I'm hesitant to try this because it's just it's like, I'm not good with hair products, so I don't know if this will even do anything for me. This one retails for $16. I will definitely give it a shot, but I have no promises for that. Last but not least, the item I was waiting for was the Pur Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This is what the outer packaging looks like, and I think it is very cute. This palette retails for $38. That is a bit steep, but I mean, Pur Cosmetics is a bit up there in price. I am going to try and get my hands to open this, and I will be right back. It took me a hot minute to get that opened. I always struggle with opening packaging. It's just, it is not my strong point. But let's go ahead and check this out. I think my neighbors are fighting outside. I am just going to try and ignore that. This is the inside of it. It looks very nice. Let me see if I can take off. It is really well packaged. It's almost like it's a bonus, but it's almost like a no for me, you know? I love the blushes. I love all of these colors. With the darker colors, definitely I go in with a lighter hand, but I do love a nice dramatic blush. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the highlighter, which is Twilight. Very nice. And I want to do the more deeper blush, which is called Reveal. They are very buttery. So these are the two swatches of the highlighter and the blush. These are very gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. I love the finishes. I love that they are satin finishes, that they will definitely be really good for the winter. I definitely lean more towards a mineral glowy blush during this time. Now, going into the shadows, these shadows, I mean, they could have added a few more shades, I guess. I don't know how it will work with the blue. I am not comfortable with blue shadows yet, and I wish they would have had more mattes because they only have one matte here. And it's this one. These are all shimmers. So I'm going to go ahead and just, I want to swatch two of them. I am going to swatch the matte one, which is called Sneak Peek. Okay, and I'm going to swatch the green golden one, which is Mask Off. And here they are. Look, these are extremely pigmented. Like, that matte is really good. I like that swatch. And this green gold is calling my name. Like, that is a beautiful color. So I definitely, now touching the texture of these shadows, I definitely see why they would price it at $38. If I had the money, I would drop $38 on this palette. I honestly would. Nonetheless, I haven't tried it on my eyes yet, so I don't know how it works on the eyes, but just by touching it, I think it is amazing. So my final thoughts on this month's Boxycharm is that I thought it was a really good month. I wish I would have gotten, instead of the hand cream and the hair mask, I wish I would have gotten the other variation, which was a face mask and a cleansing, like, gel, a cleansing ointment to wash off your makeup. I honestly wish I would have gotten that. I would have had more use for that. Nonetheless, I feel like it is still a bang for your buck. You're trying brand name items, and I honestly think this is the box to beat. I mean, Boxycharm always brings it, and I did enjoy this month. With that being said, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!